Have you ever heard of the ancient Akan stories that are filled with wisdom and life lessons? These tales have been passed down through generations, carrying with them the knowledge and values of the Akan people of Ghana. The Akan people believe that storytelling is a powerful way to teach important lessons and preserve their cultural heritage. Through these stories, they pass down values such as respect, loyalty, and perseverance. One of the most famous Akan stories is the tale of Anansi the spider, known for his cleverness and cunning nature. Through his adventures, Anansi teaches us about the importance of using our wits to overcome challenges and achieve our goals. The Akan tales are not just entertaining stories, but also a reflection of the rich history and traditions of the Akan people. They provide us with valuable insights into their way of life and the principles that guide their actions. So next time you hear an Akan story, take a moment to listen closely and uncover the ancient wisdom hidden within. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cultural insights and stories from around the world.